Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Janet, and on this channel and on my blog I talk on skincare and relaxed haircare tips. So if these are topics you love, please stick around by subscribing. Now in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys an affordable morning skincare routine for acne prone skin. Now I understand that affordability is a relative term. What can be affordable for someone is a splurge for the next person. Now when it comes to sourcing for skincare products, you need to get products that don't break the bank, that fall within your budget, and yet they deliver on their promises. In this video you'll find affordable skincare products that I've used personally, some I have currently and some I've used in the past. So if this is something you love, please stick around, grab a cup of coffee, tea or something, and let's dive in. Now I made a previous video where I talked on how to build a skincare routine without irritating your skin. If you haven't seen that video, I highly recommend you see it. I'll link it up here and in the description below. Now I'm referring to that video because you need to tackle one skin concern at a time, especially when you're actively breaking out. This is the time to just focus on getting the acne under control before you move on to trying to treat hyperpigmentation and all the things that are associated with acne. The star ingredient in today's morning skincare routine is benzoyl peroxide. Benzoyl peroxide is a proven anti-acne medication that can be found in over-the-counter and prescription strength medications. Now you can find them in lotions and in creams, cleansers, any form that works best for you. It treats acne by causing oxidation. It releases free radicals that inhibits the growth of acne forming bacteria and that breaks down comedones. So it is very effective, especially for inflammatory acne. Now the downside to using benzoyl peroxide is that it can be very drying. Some have developed allergic reactions and it can bleach fabric. However, over the years, it's been shown to be very beneficial in reducing the incidence of antibiotic resistance, and that's why it's commonly combined with antibiotics like clindamycin and erythromycin. Now, benzoyl peroxide is known to deactivate retinoids. However, it's been effectively combined with adapalene in epiduo and recently with tretinoin. Now, these are both prescription strength medications. You shouldn't go getting the individual medications to combine on your own. If you dry out your skin, it will leave you very sensitized. We don't want that. Now for your morning skincare routine, when using benzoyl peroxide, you could either use a cleanser or an ointment. Now if you're using the cleanser, you start off by wetting your face with lukewarm water and then using a benzoyl peroxide cleanser. This is the one by CeraVe. Is their acne foaming cream cleanser. It has 4% benzoyl peroxide. I have a detailed review on this cleanser. It's up here. So what you do is you apply this evenly across your face and allow it to sit on the face for 1 to 2 minutes. Remember, it has an active inside it. It needs ample time to sit on your face to work. So give it 1 to 2 minutes. What I do is I apply this to my face in the beginning of having a shower and then let it sit on my face, and then when I'm done cleansing my body, I rinse this off. So that's how I use it. Now when you're done rinsing this off, you follow up with a light moisturizer. For oily acne prone skin, it's very important to follow up with a moisturizer. You could either use a plain moisturizer or one that has SPF, at least SPF of 30. Now the moisturizers I have here that are good to use for oily skin is the Cosrx Oil Free Ultra Moisturizing Lotion. Now this is a very non-comedogenic moisturizer that is very good for oily acne prone skin. Now a lot of people with oily skin tend to skip applying moisturizers because their skin is oily. But when you're oily and acne prone, you need to keep your oil production under control. You do this by applying moisturizers. When your skin senses that your skin is dehydrated, maybe because you're not applying enough moisturizers or you're stripping your skin dry with very harsh cleansers, the oil glands go into overdrive, trying to produce more oils to kind of balance out your skin. And at the end of the day, your skin gets clogged, you get more acne breakouts. We don't want that. So ensure you moisturize always. Another moisturizer you can use is the Ordinary's Natural Moisturizing Factor. This is a lightweight moisturizer. It's packed with hydrators. Now, natural moisturizing factors are part of the skin barrier, so it fortifies your skin barrier, controls your oil production, and keeps the acne at bay. Now, moisturizers on their own are not acne treatment, except they contain actives, but these plain moisturizers just help to keep your oil production optimal, so you don't go into overdrive. Now, another way you can moisturize your skin if you're oily and acne prone is to use moisturizers that contain SPF. This shortens the step to just a two-step process that you cleanse and you moisturize. A good one is the CeraVe Ultra Light Moisturizing Lotion with SPF. I don't have it currently and I'll link it up here. Now, the third step in your morning skincare routine is to use sunscreens. Now, if you didn't use a moisturizer that contains sunscreen, this is the next step. Now, sunscreens are so important for everyone because when you expose your skin to the sun rays, it causes premature aging, it dehydrates your skin, and those dark marks that are left behind, they will take forever to clear. We don't want that. So always use SPF of at least 30. The sunscreen I'm using currently is the Cosrx Aloe Soothing Sun Cream with SPF 50+. Now, on to the second morning skincare routine for acne with benzoyl peroxide ointment or lotions. Now, you start out with a mild cleanser. Now, this is very important because you're leaving the benzoyl peroxide on the skin. It's very important to start off with a very mild cleanser. Now, benzoyl peroxide can be very drying. You don't want to use a cleanser that is equally drying. So you don't need any cleanser with salicylic acid or other drying actives. Start off with a very low pH mild cleanser. Now, affordable ones are the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Cleanser, the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser, and the Simple Face Wash Gel. Now, next you apply your benzoyl peroxide. I have the Clean and Clear benzoyl peroxide, the Pesa Gel 10 here. Now, you don't have to start out with this strength for those who are just starting out with benzoyl peroxide, because the application of a benzoyl peroxide ointment can leave you with a lot of irritation. Always start with 2.5% strength. Always do that, always. And if you don't break out across your whole face, really, you don't have to apply it across the whole face. Focus on the acne prone areas. For me, is at my jaw and my T-zone area. But if you break out across your whole skin, now you want to do a patch test of this benzoyl peroxide. Try it behind your ears for 24 hours. If it doesn't irritate your skin, you can proceed to apply this across your whole face. Now, you always want to follow up with a moisturizer because this can be dry, and I've said it 1,000,001 times. Now, if you're a pregnant lady who is also dealing with acne, this is the time to swap your benzoyl peroxide in your morning skincare routine with an azelaic acid treatment. Now, this is the one by Naturium. It's a bit pricey. You can opt for the one by The Ordinary, which is more affordable. I will link that in the description bar below. So I hope you found today's video very helpful. Please stick around because I'll be bringing to you guys the evening skincare routine as well with affordable product options. See you on the next one. Bye.